You need to be able to identify when you're at a fork in the road or you're at a roundabout. And the first thing you got to understand is there's a big difference between this and that. Here, simple. I just close my eyes, go left or right. Here, big difference. This is where I want you guys to be. A lot of us do this. Hey, let me just go right here, right? Or I'm just going to stay right here. So you're in a circle all your life. You live for the weekend. You live for anything to do other than making yourself better. Some of us end up in here and then we create a fork, but the fork leads us back down here. We start going backwards. This is what kills most people. When you come to the roundabout and you see all these choices, go straight. You're still out there trying to figure out which fork you should go down, you're going to lose.